Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday in class, a student of mine told me about a rather awkward situation she got herself into. She had been out and about round town where she lives, and she'd run into a guy that she used to work with who was shopping with a woman. And she stopped and chatted and said it was nice to see him. She then said, "Oh, and this must be your wife." At which point the woman that the guy was with took her handbag, smacked the guy round the head with it and screamed at him saying, "You never told me you were married." "Ooh," I responded. "You really put your foot in it there then." If somebody puts their foot in it, they say something accidentally that offends or upsets somebody. So maybe, for example, you run into a female friend of yours who looks really different to the last time you saw them, and you assume that because they're a bit bigger than they were, they must be pregnant. So you say, "Oh, I see congratulations are in order. When's the baby due?" Only to find that they're not actually pregnant. You've just put your foot in it. This actually happened to me once, this next story. I was in the street and I ran into an old friend of mine who was with a guy who looked very similar to him, but I thought looked a lot older. So I said, "Oh, nice to see you here. I wasn't expecting to run into you. This must be your dad." To which the other guy responded by saying, "I'm actually his brother, his younger brother." "Oh, I see. Clearly put my foot in it a bit there." And maybe, for example, you meet a colleague or someone you haven't seen for a while. You ask how their partner's doing, only for them to burst into tears and for you to be told by someone else that their partner left them 3 weeks ago. How are you supposed to know, eh? It's that easy to put your foot in it. If you're wondering what the it is, by the way, imagine it as a piece of dog shit in the street that you accidentally tread in and get yourself in a horrible sticky mess. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear stories about any time you may have put your foot in it.